guys, so right now I have a cold and I'm going to do my best to do this voiceover for you guys to give you the best instructions as possible. But I'm a little under the weather, not COVID, but I'm under the weather, okay? All right, so I'm starting off with one container of the strawberry cream cheese by Philadelphia original, 1.5 stick of butter. You can use salted or unsalted. It doesn't make a difference. I prefer salted butter just to even out the sweetness from all of the powdered sugar. So while I'm scraping that into my bowl, I just want to say a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. And I want to say thank you to everyone who supported me and watched my videos and subscribe. And hi to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for jumping on board, the Savvy Gang. We love you so much. I love you. Okay. So I went ahead and added a tablespoon of vanilla paste. Vanilla paste, yes. I didn't add any vanilla extract, but I did add the vanilla paste. So now I'm just going to mix that on medium-high speed. And I like to clean up as I bake or make things or whatever, just so that I can have a clean space. So as that's mixing, I am going to go ahead and clean up my workspace. So you will need 1 bag of powdered sugar, okay? 1 bag, which is 2 pounds. Here, I just had 2 half and halves, so I just used that. But if you're making this with new ingredients, non-open ingredients, you will need 1 2-pound bag. Okay, now I am going to be going in with 1 pack of freeze-dried strawberries. You can find this online, Amazon. I normally get a 5 or 6 pack from Big Lots. They have all different types of flavors: mango, pineapple, watermelon. I prefer. They have banana also, so I normally buy banana and the strawberry kind for my cupcakes. Now I'm just going to be scraping my bowl down, making sure that I have all the butter and cream cheese and powdered sugar combined. And now I'm going to go in for a taste test just to make sure that it's tasting delightful. I'm going to go ahead and give that a final mix, and then we should be good to go. And this is what the icing looks like once it's piped onto your cupcakes. These are triple strawberry cupcakes. Strawberry cupcake with a strawberry filling topped with a strawberry.